5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Anissa Ramadhani. I am a second semester student at Jambi University about education study program. Here, I will explain about the coronavirus spread process and how to prevent it. Coronavirus spread process and how to prevent it. Coronavirus or SARS respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. SARS-CoV-2 is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. Diseases due to infection with this virus is called COVID-19. Coronavirus can cause mild disorders of the respiratory system, severe lung infection, and even death. The spread of the coronavirus. Coronavirus infection or COVID-19 is caused by coronavirus, which is a group of viruses that infects the respiratory system. In most cases, coronavirus only causes mild to moderate respiratory infection, such as flu. However, this virus can also cause severe respiratory infection, such as pneumonia, middle-aged respiratory syndrome, MERS, and infectious respiratory syndrome, SARS. It is suspected that the coronavirus was anatally transmitted from animal to human. However, it was later discovered that the coronavirus was also transmitted from human to human. A person can get COVID-19 through a variety of ways, namely exuded line, inhale, saliva, spills, droplets that come out when a person with COVID-19 coughs or sneezes, holding mouth or nose, washing hand first after touching objects affected by saliva spills with COVID-19 patient, close contact with COVID-19 sufferers. Prevention. Until now, there is no vaccine to prevent coronavirus infection or COVID-19. Therefore, the best prevention measures is to avoid the factor that can cause you to be infected with this virus, namely 1. Offline physical distancing, which is to maintain a minimum distance of 1 meter from other people, and not to let the host unless there is an urgent need. 2. Use a mask when on the move in public places or crowds, including when you go shopping or groceries. 3. Routinely wash your hands with water and soap or hand sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol. Especially after going activities outside the home or in public place. 4. Do not touch your eyes, mouth, and nose before washing your hands. 5. Increase endurance with a hotline lifestyle. 6. Avoid contact with people with COVID-19, people who are suspects of being positive infection by the coronavirus, or people who are sick with a fever, cold, or running nose. 7. Cover your mouth and nose with tissue when coughing or sneezing. The tissue in the teeth. 8. Keep clean objects that are after uses and environmental cleanliness, including cleaning the house. Thank you. Well, that was my explanation about the coronavirus. Hopefully useful. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.